Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Say the Saudi Cover, and this is Business with SK. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can order on the 168 app and also add your shipping mark on this app. If you are someone interested in starting your own importation business, whether from China or Dubai, then you are the right place. And by the end of this video, you will be able to place your own order confidently without facing any issue. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe, like and comment on this video. Let's get straight to the video. So the first thing you need to do is open your 168 app and log into your account if you haven't. Yes. So right now, after logging into your account, you have to know the kind of product you are searching for, whether your shoes, bags, clothing, machines, and a whole lot. So right now, we can use the camera icon to search for any product we want. So click on the camera icon, then you select the particular type of product you want to search for. So right now, I'm searching for this dress. Now you'll see many suppliers selling the same product, but don't rush. Firstly, you need to check the suppliers' ratings, customer reviews, number of sales, product details, and everything before you go ahead and select the particular supplier you want to buy from. So I'll go ahead and select this supplier. So this is the supplier's interface. You can just go ahead and look through the supplier's shop, check through the reviews, the ratings, and everything in order to make sure, okay, right now you'll be buying from this supplier. So as you can see, these are reviews from other people buying from this particular supplier. After going through everything and confirming, okay, right now you'll be buying from this supplier, you go ahead and click on order now. Or maybe if you want to add your things to cart, you click on add to cart. But if you're ready to buy the product, you click on order now. This is where you get to select your options, whether the color, the size, the quantity. Yes, so make sure you read the product descriptions before proceeding. So for here, I'll be selecting some colors and also the sizes I want. When you click on the plus sign, it means you are adding products. When you click on the minus sign, it means you are taking it out from it. So I'll be selecting this one, this color, and I'll be selecting two of these two. Yes. When you are done with your selection, you go ahead and click on where the arrow is pointing at. That's the location sign. This is where we'll be adding our shipping address, because without your shipping address, you can't ship your product from China to anywhere you are. So now click on add new receiving address. To add your shipping mark, this is what you do. Contact your shipping company for the address, copy the address from your shipping company, and paste it at where the arrow is pointing at. When you are done pasting, click on auto filling. It will automatically fill in everything for you. When you are done, click on save and use. You see, one thing about adding your shipping mark is any small mistake you make, it can delay your shipment. So please, when you are taking your shipping address from your shipping companies, make sure you don't do any mistake. You don't make any mistake. So right now we are done adding our shipping address to it. So we'll go ahead and place our order. So click on buy now. So when you get to this point, this is where you review whether the product you are ordering is okay, everything is intact, like everything is on point. Then you go ahead and click on submit. If not, you go back and do some changes, then you come back here. So this is where you make your payment for your orders. Yes, there are different ways you can make payment for your products, whether Alipay, your bank card, Apple Pay, though using iPhone, World First, WeChat. You can use any of them, but the most common ones are the Alipay or your debit card. If you don't have Alipay, you can go back to my videos and watch how you can create your Alipay. If not, you can use your debit card, but mostly when you use your Alipay, it's very simple to make payment to your supplier. And debit card too, you can use it, but it mostly takes days. Sometimes it can take like 2-3 days before it can reflect. Yes, but Alipay is very fast. Alipay is very fast. Now let's select Alipay to make payments. You see, when you are using Alipay to make payments, it will direct you to your Alipay app to enter your password. After entering your Alipay password, it will then allow you to confirm whether this is the amount you are paying to the supplier. Because of security reasons, I couldn't record that part. When you are done entering the password, it will direct you back to the 168 app that you are done placing your order. So yeah, this is how you can order on the 168 app and also add your shipping mark to it. So this is how you can order from the 168 app and also how to add your shipping address. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to anyone who wants to start their own importation business this year. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to reply to your comments. My name is Seidu Saudi Kaba and this is Business with SK. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.